Good morning students, this is Rajkumar Yadav and I am going to tell you a question from chapter number 11 construction, and that is we have to draw a triangle first of all that has been given. The length BC is 8 and AB 6, so and B is right angle. You can read your question from NCERT, right? So first of all we have to draw the BC, the baseline BC, right? So it will be of 8 centimeter. Now from B you know how to draw the right angle, right? First of all, having a center B with any radius you can have an arc like that. So let's say it cut at P, right? From P with the same arc, this is of 60 degree. You know that from this you can say this is Q. From this and this you can have 120 degree, and then from this R and Q the both arc will intersect where we draw the right angle triangle. And now cut this A, that is 6 centimeter. So now according to this we can pause your video for see that, and you can see there 8 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter, right? So first of all you have to draw a right angle triangle. Now the second step is what is to be done. You have to draw a perpendicular from B to AC. It is given that you have to draw the perpendicular from B to AC. How we draw the perpendicular from any point to any line? That can be do like that. First of all you have to take the center B like this arc. You have to draw an arc which intersect this AC, which must intersect this AC at you can say M and N, right? From M and N with the same radius you should have an arc like that, this and this. So it will cut here. You can draw this line like that, right? You can say this is T. So you draw this BT, join this BT. It will be obviously perpendicular to AC. This is called D. It has been mentioned in the question that BD is the perpendicular to AC, right? So up to here we have drawn this perpendicular. Now the next step, the question is you have to draw a circle from these 3 points. For that what should we do? That from BDC we have to draw a circle. For that we have to draw a perpendicular bisector of CD and BD. Any of the two lines from these three, you have to do the perpendicular bisector. And what can be done for that? From D and C you should have an arc like that, with more than half radius. You should have arc from there and here, and also from C there and this. So you know how to draw the perpendicular bisector. You join them, right? Next you have to draw like that this perpendicular bisector of BD also, that is like that, and this one. You will find that it will intersect here somewhere on BC, right? So you have to join that, right? This one and this one. You will find that this will be the center for the required circle. From this circle center you should have a radius of OD, OB and OC, right? And draw a circle with radius this or this or this. You will found the circle like that, right? Now you have the circle like that. You can pause your video and draw with me. What I am doing here, you can do every step by pausing your video. So you found this circle now. Now we have to draw a tangent from A to that circle. It is like that type of work that you have been given a circle with center O, and you have been given us A, the point, from where you have to draw two circles. But you know that this is of right angle. So here we see that this is of right angle OB, because this is the tangent. Because if it is a right angle and this is the radius, if O is on BC, that means it is as work as radius, and this is right angle. So it must be a tangent. So already we have a tangent AB, right? We have a tangent of AB having length 6 cm. So only we know that these two tangents are equal. If it is 6 cm, obviously this one is also of 6 cm. So what should we do? We should have an arc of AB that is 6 cm. From A, you cut this circle here. You will find that it will be E. Now you should join this AE. So now you have AB and AE, the two tangents which have to be drawn from A to this circle. So this was the construction, right? So thank you guys. You can ask for more questions from this chapter. All the best.